if you are looking to stay here in Tirana for about 30 days, Airbnb is going to charge you an arm and a leg. The first 30 days that I stayed here, I was paying $1,025. That included utilities and Wi-Fi. During my 30 days, my mission was to build a network and also get closer connections so that I can get a better rate. And so what I ended up doing was I was negotiating with locals here, and I was able to get it to $890, but that includes utilities and Wi-Fi for a one-bedroom apartment unit in a newer complex with cafes, restaurants, gyms, grocery stores, everything that you need within walking distance. And that's still too high from what I'm learning about my Albanian friends. And so as time progresses and I'm meeting realtors and I'm walking into leasing offices, here's another thing that I am learning is that that same unit that I'm acquiring for 890 American dollars, that includes all utilities, you can get that cheaper if you sign a full annual contract. What does that look like? You'll be paying around 450 euros, and usually you pay close to, I want to say, $150 euros on top of that, and that goes to like a commission for the person that is managing your lease and the property. So you can actually get a decent one bedroom unit apartment complex for closer to 700 American dollars. Now that's still on the high side. I thought I was probably saving money, but reality is you can get a much better deal if you continue searching. Now, one thing that I can recommend is if you guys are looking to save a massive amount of money every single month, then I get it. I understand you want to experience the Albanian culture and you want to immerse yourself in this environment at a fraction of the cost as you would be paying in the States. It's possible, but I also want you guys to be realistic and just don't be extra cheap. Okay, know that you're going to have transportation costs. There's going to be groceries. There's going to be your housing. There's going to be your entertainment. There's going to be medical. So there's so many things that factor in. So if you guys are asking, is it possible to live in Albania comfortably, just one person for $1,000 a month? And my answer is yes. It's very possible because you can find a one bedroom unit for as low as 400 American dollars. You know, and if you can do that and you're comfortable, then the rest of the money is going to go to groceries, transportation, and even a little entertainment, a little bit of travel. So it's just about getting connected with the right people and learning about yourself as far as what environment you want to plug yourself in to make your lifestyle a opportunity to not just be relaxed and chill, but put you in a place in which you start developing the Albanian language, you start immersing yourself in the Albanian culture, and you contribute to Albania in a positive way. Once again, those are just my thoughts. Kalev Shmir. Peace out.